Hi everyone, my name is Jazmine Lambarca. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So a subscriber reached out and requested for me to do this video to just show what fits in the Paris bag. So I bought this, I don't even remember when, not so long ago, it was this year. I bought two bags, the New York bag in black soft leather, and also I bought this bag, brown and suede, and I absolutely love it because brown and suede, that combination is on trend, and of course I was like just all over that trend, and it is great quality for the cost, so I'm happy that I got this bag. Now to what fits in here, I will open the bag and show you everything that I have in here. This is very realistic. How you open this bag is you pull this button down. That's how you open the bag. I will give you an overall view of what fits in here. So with everything that I have in here, I do not fit my phone or sunglasses, so typically I wear my sunglasses on my head. So typically this is everything that I carry. So I will show you everything. So first off, I always have wireless headphones with me. I honestly need a new pair because these are driving me nuts. These were like $20 or $30 on Amazon, and these are the J-Labs. This is like a sandy cream color. This is the style because they're good for running. They won't fall off your ear, but yeah. So anyway, the thing is that this had like a 1 or 2 day delivery, so I needed this. I needed these with urgency, so that's why I ordered them. But I always carry these with me because sometimes I like listening to things when I go run errands, like a podcast, or if somebody calls me, I can hear it better here. Typically if I have this like on my pocket, I won't hear it. So yeah. Also, I carry this hand sanitizer. This is new to me, so this is the first time that I order a hand sanitizer that is this style, like this liquidy and stuff. So far I like it, and it doesn't spread out too much, so I have to use more of the product, and I do enjoy the smell. So I do like this one. Definitely has aloe, so it smells really good. Next is my car keys. I drive the Challenger, and yeah, so this is what I've got right now on my keychain. Pepper spray, and I have this cute pen that I got in Punta Cana, which I did show a video of stuff that I bought in Punta Cana. This was in that video. Also, I have my card holder, so I carry a card holder with me instead of like a wallet or whatever. This just works better for me, and this is from Cartier. So now I'm going into this section. So I have a lot of lip products. So I carry my Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and I have this cute hand cream that I got in Punta Cana as well, Princess Jasmine, and it's just so dry right now. It's so cold. That's why I need a hand cream with me at all times at this point. And I also have this Victoria's Secret fruity cereal lip mask, which I love. I need backups. I also have this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This is in let's see, Pillow Talk Fair. Really pretty. That's what I'm wearing right now. I also have this Buxom lip balm, my favorite. I've talked about it tons on my channel and on TikTok. I also have this compact from Gucci, my shade. I don't even know because it's erased. I don't even know. I think it's 3. I'm not sure. I also have this other lip balm that I got recently, and I got this at either TJ Maxx or Marshall's, whatever. And this is from the Aristocats. That's the little box, and 4 come in the box, so I actually like that. I always carry these pills with me in this little pouch. So this little pouch is from HRH and this is just a very convenient pouch. It's very thin. So these are leaves, mostly for headaches. And then I also carry this hair tie with me. I always try to have an extra hair tie with me, just in case. So that's all I had in these compartments. Now I have this other one. So I have two kind of like discount cards from Victoria's Secret. So I'm sure I'm going to use these, but I have them here just in case. And then there's an outer pocket right here, but currently I don't have anything in here. Maybe in the future I will use this just to put receipts. Other than that, I don't think I'm going to put anything in here. So that's all I carry in this bag, and that can change depending on where I'm going. Yeah, so but that is what I currently carry here. Now there's two things that I do not carry in this bag. Number one would be this Gisou lip oil. This is my favorite lip oil, and I always try to carry it with me, but the issue is that where I usually store all my lip products, including this oil, is in a little pouch. Issue is this pouch doesn't really fit in here with everything, so it's just better just to put everything individually. Thing is that this does leak. Like if you place it like this or like this, it will leak in your stuff, and that's already happened to me several times. I mean, I've bought this like 6 times at this point, so I've seen it happen, but I don't want any of this oil to leak inside my bag, so that's why I avoid just having this loose in any bag specifically. Number two, I like to carry a notebook with me sometimes just to write things down, ideas and stuff, and you can squeeze this in, but then it will be just way too tight, so I just leave it here, you know. Okay, everything is back in. So I'm just gonna now try to close this out. Right, done deal, ready to go. So everything is back in the bag. So yeah, it looks a little wide because I have a full bag right now, but it's fine. So I'll show you now how this looks on the shoulder. So this is how it looks on the shoulder. Look at how cute it looks. Doesn't it look cute though? I really love this bag. Right, you guys, so that's it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. So I post 2 videos a week, but now I'm starting to post 1 more video a week. Thank you everyone, and see you on my next video. Bye.